So, as a guy is going to town to get some, find a 5/16 8 mil, another one. It isn't a 12 point for these timber locks. The guy, decides to get in his car, backs up. Actually, let me go back a little further. A guy is in the kitchen, just glances out the window and sees, like, what's going on in my car, So I walk out there and look at it, and it just looked like the tire was flat or, something like that. The guy walks out there, and it's like, well, it's kind of in a hole, where I back out. Just pull in, back out. It's kind of got like a little divot there. And didn't think much of it. But into the future, now that I'm going to town, she backs up and got a damn broke strut. Luckily, our auto KOI has two, which one's got a sport tune suspension. I don't give a fuck. Put the same fucking part on it. Make this shit easy. So hopefully this is the right one. And that one, I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to finish on this and then we'll get her going, I guess. I have been fighting, trying to get this damn strut back in this spindle. Finally got it. Went to tighten up the sway bar link. Right off. Yep, right off. Oh, I'm freaking. So I just come back from town. Luckily it had one. Snapped her right off. Then another thing. If you're going to be one of these rebuild with blah blah blah, don't put fucking used parts on shit. You're a cheap bastard. Don't put used parts on shit. So let's put this sway bar link on and get it out of my garage. Come on. Well, back on the ground and ready to roll. Yep, that's the way she goes. I can't catch a break. I'll see y'all on the next one. Exciting stuff. Let me tell you. It would have been an exciting video. Been more of like, fuck, shit, damn it, axle pop out. Come on. Anywho, see y'all on the next one.